See the first option, range of f is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So given f of x is sine of pi by 6 sine pi by 2 sine x. We know that the range of sine x is minus 1 comma 1. Pi by 2 sine x is nothing but minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2 sine x is nothing but sine of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. Sine pi by 2 is 1. Pi by 6 into sine of pi by 2 sine x belongs to minus 1 into pi by 6 is minus pi by 6 comma pi by 6. Again sine of pi by 6 sine pi by 2 sine x belongs to sine minus pi by 6 value is minus 1 by 2, sine pi by 6 value is 1 by 2. So there the range of f is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So what the given option, range of f is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 is correct. Next we will see range of f circle g or f of g is minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. It is also similar, like the same steps will appear, because f of g of 1 by 2 is nothing but you will get first sin x range minus 1 comma 1, pi by 2 sin x range minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, sine of pi by 2 sin x range sin pi by 2 is minus 1 comma 1, again pi by 6 sin pi by 2 sin x is nothing but minus pi by 6 comma pi by 6, again sine of pi by 6 sin pi by 2 sin x is nothing but minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So the range of f of g is also same as minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So it is also the correct option. Then come back to the third one, that is limit x tends to 0 f of x upon g of x is pi by 6. We'll prove here. So we know f of x value that you can substitute here, sine of pi by 6 sine pi by 2 sin x upon g of x value pi by 2 sin x. We have one formula here in limits, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. So by using this formula, so convert the given question, you can multiply and divide with this particular term in numerator as well as in denominator. So sin pi by 6 sin pi by 2 sin x divided by same pi by 6 sin pi by 2 sin x into pi by 6 sin pi by 2 sin x. Already in denominator pi by 2 sin x is there, as it is you can rewrite. Now you can separate the terms. So limit x tends to 0 this term into pi by 6 is the constant right outside. Limit x tends to 0 sin pi by 2 sin x by pi by 2 sin x. We know very clearly this value is 1, this value is 1. So the value is pi by 6. So limit x tends to 0 f of x upon g of x is equal to pi by 6. So the third option is also correct. Then we can move to the fourth option. There is an x belongs to R such that g of f of x is equal to 1. See how it is possible. G of f of x is nothing but g of f of x. G is nothing but pi by 2 sin x. So pi by 2 sin f of x. In the contradiction method, let us suppose x belongs to R, g of f of x is equal to 1 we can consider. So pi by 2 sin of f of x is equal to 1. Pi by 2 transfer right hand side, it becomes 2 by pi. So sin of f of x is equal to 2 by pi. We know that f of x is belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. In the radian measure it is nothing but minus pi by 6 comma pi by 6. Sin of f of x is nothing but, so minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, it is nothing but minus 0.5 comma 0.5. But here we got sin f of x is nothing but 2 by pi. What is the value of 2 by pi? Is approximately 0.6. But here we got minus 0.5 comma 0.5. So it is not equal. Why it is not equal means whatever we consider, so there exists x does not belongs to our g of f of x is equal to 1. Therefore the fourth option what we given, it is wrong option. It's a multiple answer type question in JEE Advanced in functions chapter. Thank you for watching PK Maths channel. For more questions in JEE Advanced Mathematics, follow PK Maths channel.